the shot and hits.
Got to finish up. We saw John practicing some of those crazy dribbles.
Yeah, he's working on a new one that I have a feeling will be.
Rebound by Wall, took it away from Rose. Got by Jennings and takes it home. What a play by Wall!
Did you see the afterburner jet by John Wall? He left Jennings in his tracks.
Washington in transition. Wall right down the middle. Wall gets it to go and a foul. It's strong, guys. At 6'4" and about 200.
By Otto Porter.
Wall behind the back, puts it up and in!
Loves that open court opportunity, especially when your shot blocker is out of the area.
Today. John Wall spins, gets in the paint, layup is good.
First half, Wizards lead is down to 1. Wall for his jumper, good. Wall, great move, flips it up and in!
Foul to the Hawks. Wall!
Good move by Wall, up off the glass and in. What a move that was.
You handle that ball with one hand, you can get the release off, you get it off.
So he said he now has a mouthful of fake teeth. Not a good look.
Coach, this is down inside also, not that far away from the basket. Right around Olynyk, right there. How about that move?
Wall drives and uses that body in his left hand. Wall dazzles the crowd and knocks down another shot.
The spin. Oh, what a setup to Gortat! The run to the rim and John Wall. He goes. That's a screen. Wall off the action. Crab falls.